Hi guys, it's Bill the blacksmith. I wanna show you my blacksmithing uh, shop, home shop. It's a room 13 by 24 feet, and it's very good, big place for me. And so it's two anvils here, and the scissors for cut the sheet metal here I have, and a little anvil, some electric power engine forge. I show you closer, a little bit closer. So it's my power hammer. I explain you now what is that. This very interesting construction. It's something mix here in tire hammer mixed with cam hammer. You see, that's my forge. Ready to work. Here is blower. It's old forge. 15 years I use this forge, and it's a good forge. It's very good. So, what about a power hammer? I see here. I put here a camera. Oh, something like this. Okay. So what we have here? It's a hammer. 3 times I change this construction and make this better and better. Now this regular 13 inches diameter, 13 inches tire, car tire, and 3000 watts engine, electric engine, 1500 rpm. So the hammer is completely hammered. The weight is 70 pounds. Yes, it's a 70 pounds. The hammer's handle. It's a tube, the square tube welded together. It's 40 inches long. And is the frame here, and in this side I have the mechanism to pick up the hammer. Look like this. It's more good. You see, like this. Okay, that's what I see. That's the mechanism to pick up the hammer up. So when the rubberized little wheel, I press the pedal. This rubber tape press to the iron wheel and go this wood plank up together with the hammer, the handle up. And so here we have a little 4 bearings, as you see here, because when the hammer go down, to minimize the friction power, I put this 4 bearings. When I press the pedal, the bearings go inside. This springs working and go inside, and the tape, rubber tape, maximal friction. When I not push the pedal, the bearings go on his place and pick up the rubber tape, and the hammer go back, and the friction power go to the 0 level, almost 0 level. It's good for power hammer, because without the bearings we have lost almost 20. I think it may be 20% power of this hammer. So here we have 2 springs. It's important for this hammer. maybe for another weight of this hammer, not 70 pounds, maybe 50 pounds, you need to change the springs, because it's so experience, and I changed lot of springs change when the hammer working is good. So now it's good. It's just from old bike springs. I go to the junkyard and select and buy these two springs. It's very good for me. So two bearings here, the hammer working on this. There's something like that, and this the second spring, it's accumulate energy to back to go back the hammer and give more power. It's good. So I show you how is work this hammer. So maybe if in other situation I maybe use a just regular reduction, to not use the tire hammer, not use the tire to reduction this rpm of engine's rpm, but this wheel was here in the from the hammer show was before, so I use this hammer, this tire, and it's very good. So I put the piece of rubber tape here, something like that, piece to protect the face of the anvil, and show you how this hammer is working. It's working good. Look. Very good, working very good. So I show you how many times to cut the hammer. It's a 3-foot-high. It's very good. It's working not so quickly, but slowly but hard. Slowly and hard. I like this. So for now, I want to, for you, I show you all possibilities of the hammer. I put in my fourth piece of metal. It's a 3/4-inch round bar, something like that. Make this bar hot, and you wanna see what can do this hammer. So guys, the forge is working now. Let's try to make this bar hot. So guys, the bar is hot now. Let's turn on the hammer. Working. So, let's try. Something like this. So from this side, I show you how this hammer works in another side. Something like that, something like that. Here. Like this. So, okay. Something like that. Okay. Oh. So guys, it's working good for me. Good for me. I love this job. Thanks for watching, and from Ukraine with love. Subscribe if you want, and give me like or dislike, how you wish. Goodbye.